Congratulations! You are no longer a beginner when it comes to your communication skills. Now, when you want to communicate, whether it's with one person, 10, 15, 1,500, or 15,000, you're going to have the skills to do it. You're going to have a process to do it. You'll always start the same way by asking yourself, what's my objective here? What's my goal in this communication activity? What is it I want this audience to do after I'm done speaking? Then you'll ask yourself, what are all the possible messages I could say on this? And then you'll narrow it down to your top 5. Then you'll think of interesting, relevant stories involving conversations with real customers, clients, prospects for each one of these messages. Then you'll have a simple paper outline, so you don't have to remember anything in the speech. If you want to use PowerPoint, you can, but you're not going to throw tons and tons of text up there. Instead, you'll come up with an image for each one of your message points. And then you can practice on video, test with others. Do all that, and you're going to go into this communications opportunity with tremendous confidence because your audience will perceive you as comfortable, confident, relaxed. They're going to understand you. They're going to remember your key messages, and they're going to take the actions you want. You will be a master at your communication skills. Good luck.